A rodent that is small in size but causes billions of dollars in damage and countless dangerous diseases. Rats are considered a dangerous invasive species and are increasingly widespread in the United States. So, how do American farmers deal with invasive rats? We invite you to explore with us now. The invasion of non-native species is one of the main causes of the destruction of plants and wildlife globally. Rats are considered one of the world's most invasive species. In particular, they grow at a speed dozens of times faster in North America and cause heavy damage to the economy, environment, and ecosystem of this region. According to many new studies, some species of rats have hitchhiked to North America since the mid-1700s, causing a brutal war between foreign rats and native rats. Since then, there has been a dramatic shift from native to exotic rat dominance across the continent. These common rodents inhabit every continent except Antarctica. These exotic rat species, originally from the Indian subcontinent, gradually spread to North America through sea transport. To this day, rats hold a steady position on the International Union for Conservation of Nature's list of the world's 100 worst invasive species. Invasive rats have a huge economic impact, costing US industries hundreds of millions of dollars each year. The destruction of the agricultural industry caused many farms to suffer heavy damage, especially areas growing cereals or fruit trees. Rats also appear frequently in livestock farms and attack poultry. Dozens of young birds can become food for rats overnight. If this situation occurs regularly, farmers and ranchers may suffer heavy losses. In addition to the direct impact on the agricultural sector, the influence of rats extends beyond the agricultural sector to the distribution sector. These rats are notorious for contaminating food sources, leading to economic losses for the food industry. Invasive rats are notoriously opportunistic and will eat anything from cooked and raw meat to vegetables and grains. In addition, rats are the main cause of the extinction of many species of birds, reptiles, and invertebrates. This includes beetles, spiders, and shellfish. They pose a significant threat to native wildlife for vital resources such as food and habitat. Through predation and competition, rats transmit disease and contribute to the extinction or range reduction of native animal and plant species. Worldwide, they are responsible for 40 to 60% of the extinction of birds and reptiles. Overall, the presence of rats also creates disruption in the ecosystem, making it increasingly challenging for native wildlife to thrive and survive in the natural environment. To control the overgrowth of rats and prevent damage from them, American farmers have applied many different methods. One of the most effective measures is to use guns to kill rats. Because rats can live in all different areas and environments, their control is considered very broad. Mice can appear in gardens or backyard areas. They can also appear in city landfills. So, wherever there are rats, that place needs to be controlled. In some cases, the best way to quickly reduce large numbers of rats is to conduct controlled shooting, by using air guns and in some cases handguns. For quick and effective rat control can be done with the help of night vision devices. Because rats are mainly active and forage at night, hunting them at this time is the most appropriate. For effective hunting, farmers need to be equipped with thermal imaging devices to be able to clearly distinguish the location of mice. Farmers need to aim accurately to be able to kill a rat immediately. Shooting also reduces the risks of using rat poison to other animals and the environment. Rat shooting also increases the chances of locating and removing dead rodents. This helps reduce environmental pollution more than other control methods. A good night's shooting can yield 40 or 50 rats and often much more, so the airgun shooter's contribution can be huge. Rat populations on farms tend to peak during the colder months of the year when natural foods become scarce. They rarely appear in urban areas in winter, but appear more often in suburban areas where there is plenty of food. That's why American farmers need to control harmful rats to prevent economic losses. Today's video ends here. Hope to bring you an interesting topic. Don't forget, click like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. For now, goodbye and see you again in the next videos.